DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's up? It's your boy DJ Delz. We got the Steph Curry Funko Pop. And man, when I tell you I've been waiting forever for this, I've been waiting forever. This was ordered the first week in December by my girl for a Christmas present for me. And I literally just got it. The box, not the best condition. You see how it's bent over there? That really does suck. Very disappointed in that, I must say. And even on the top of the box, kind of messed up. Dented in over here too. I mean, it's not picking up completely on the camera, but I wanted to give you a detailed look on, in my opinion, the best current player in the NBA. I know a lot of people say LeBron James is, but to me, Steph Curry is the best that is currently in the NBA. That's my personal opinion. Debate with me. Leave in the comments who is the best as far as on the current rosters of the NBA. Me personally, no one's messing with Steph Curry. Let's take him out of the box, and please bang that thumbs up button. Show that love and support for the channel. Helps the channel so much when you do that. So here he is close up, a must have for me. I love collecting these NBA Funko Pops. Huge fan of basketball. You see his jersey right there. I'm pretty sure that there is another version with like a home jersey. One thing pretty cool on this is that you actually have the NBA branding on his shorts. I like that. I like little details. I just hate that hand right there, that dot on his hand. There is a side profile. And I like how they do with the fades now on the actual haircut. They do a way better job. I remember years ago when you would see this kind of haircut on a Funko Pop, it would just be cringeworthy. They do a pretty decent job. They're still not exactly there yet, but they're very close to where it needs to be. I have tons of NBA Funko Pop reviews from Michael Jordan to LeBron James to Kyrie Irving to James Harden. I mean, I've done tons of them. So if you want to watch reviews on them, I will eventually put a playlist somewhere up top on the screen. Was really bummed out though because it took so long to get the pop, and usually FYE, where I ordered this from, does a great job with shipping. They usually put it in one of them cardboard boxes to protect it. Not the case with this one, and they have none left. I will try to find where you could get this Funko Pop, if not right now, on pre-order. And I will link that in the description box below, along with a lot of other Funko Pop. They announced yesterday the Pokemon Charmander is available. I mean, there's so many. So I will link a listing in the description box below for your convenience to lock in on Funko Pop. Once again, if Steph Curry isn't the greatest as far as this current day and age, who is? Leave that in the comments. If you're just watching and you don't even watch basketball, just write in the comments, I love Funko. And once again, please bang that thumbs up button. It goes a long way, helps the channel grow. Thank you so much for that. Subscribe if you're new. And I'm probably going to do a double upload today because I found a chase in the wild that I've been wanting to hunt down for a while. So it's going to be an awesome video. I'm going to compare it to the common. So make sure you turn the notification on by ringing that little bell. There's a bell button. Look, Simba's in the house. Simba's in the house. And Steph Curry's in the house too. But as I was saying, definitely turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on any content. Thanks for watching. Much love. We out.